my channel. Today again I'm here with one more DIY video for you all. This time I'm here with these hand bands, a rubber elastic which is usually used in sports, like people who are into sports or so they use this a lot. So as always I have a lot of waste with me, so I always just try to create something new. So with this I've thought something unique again. With these bands we are going to make hair scrunchies. Since it is elastic, but guys, it is little tighter one, so girls who have thick hair can only do one fold like this, not more than that. But how to make it in a very beautiful scrunchies? The scrunchie that we are going to make is very easy. It will be again done in like 10 minutes. And yeah, and the cloth that we are going to use with this is an old t-shirt. So for this you will definitely need an old t-shirt or any old cloth that we have to use with this. Whether it will be printed or plain, it's totally up to you. And there is one more surprise for you guys in this video, in the end of the video, so stay tuned. I'm sure you will love it. So let's not waste any more time and let's just get started with the process.
So to make scrunchies, all you need is some wristbands, one old t-shirt, fabric glue or gun glue, and scissors. To start with, take your old t-shirt. I have taken this block color t-shirt so that I can do it in 3 colors. You can use a plain t-shirt or you can use a printed t-shirt. You can cut it in 5-inch size for bigger scrunchie and 3-inch size for small scrunchie. So I'm cutting the second one. Here it is, our pieces are ready. After this, you have to divide this piece into 2 so that your cloth is ready to make a scrunchie. Now take one piece of the cloth, make it reverse and fold it in half. Now place the band half in and half out of the cloth and then start sticking the cloth this way. I'm going to show the whole process. I'm not going to edit it and short it because this process is really important. So what you have to do in this, you have to pull the cloth from inside the band and you have to stick it from outside the band. My fabric glue got over, so I'm using this gun glue, and I've realized gun glue is quicker way as it dries off from the cloth very quickly. So if you see, I'm done half and it looks like this. Finish the process, pull the cloth from inside the band and stick it from outside the band. You have to continue this till the end, till you reach the last section of the cloth. Guys, I am making a bigger one. You can make a smaller scrunchie. As I told you, you can use 3-inch cloth. I'm using this 5-inch cloth because I want a bigger one. So here we are done with sticking the cloth this way and it will look somewhat like this. Now very important step, you have to turn it inside out from the gaps that you see both the side. So when you will take the cloth and do inside out, this is how it will look like. So as you can see, the ends are open. We have to just stick the ends. I would advise you to overlap it so that it shouldn't look like the gum should not be visible. So here I'm just overlapping the ends with each other and sticking with each other. This is the last step and your scrunchie will be ready. So you saw how I made a big scrunchie. You can make a smaller one. So yeah, here it is. It's ready. And I've made it in black because I can use it in any dress or any cloth which I'm wearing. I hope you like it.
So it is, guys, it's ready, it's all ready. So can you see how we turned that boring elastic band into this interesting scrunchie, which will definitely help. It will be a big help for us. Now, as I promised, there is a prize for you. That is, I'll show you one hairstyle how to do with this scrunchies, and that is the most demanding and most beautiful hairstyle it is, and it is very quick. You will be able to do in like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm 100% sure that you will love this hairstyle and thank me later. Yeah, so let's get started. So I hope you guys loved my DIY and the hairstyle, both are very quick and both are very easy. Guys, I really want you all to connect with me. Please connect with me on Instagram. Send me the pictures that you guys have tried my any DIY or any hairstyles. I would love to hear you. Hope you will like my channel, subscribe to it and share it with your friends. Till then, bye.